We are going to have a look at how to transfer a pattern onto your fabric using carbon paper. This might turn out to be how not to do it because I've not done it before. So we'll see how easy it is and whether it's worth you trying it. You will need some carbon paper, and this carbon paper that I've bought has come with some tools, but you can just use the end of a biro, or a biro with a lid would be better. When I came back to embroidery and I wanted to do my own patterns, the big sort of question is how do you do it? How do you get your drawing or your image onto your piece of fabric? And I've tried quite a few things, and to be honest I haven't found the best thing yet. So you need a piece of fabric, secure it to your board, table you're working on. Then your piece of carbon paper, I'm just going to have to check, does it give me any instructions? No. So I'm just going to check that that is the right way up because I don't know. So in the corner, I'm just going to make a mark. See if it comes through. Nope. Let's try it the other way up. Oh, I think I've got two pieces there. It's very thin. Let's try again. Nope. So we're going to put this way up. The side is the side with carbon on it. We are also going to secure the carbon paper so that it doesn't move. And you need either a drawing or a printout of a design you want to use. So I have one here from DMC Patterns. It's a little mouse. It's already a bit dirty. This is the fabric, so you can see if I used a light box or a window or even my phone underneath, you can see the lines of the drawing, so I could draw through. That would be one way of getting the picture on my fabric. But today we are going to position the picture over the carbon paper, over your fabric, and secure it down. Now I'm hoping this way of doing things means you could use the picture again if you wanted. I'm hoping it's going to be quite thin lines, quite detailed. I think all these are the same. Actually, maybe not. So that has just a really thin like bobble on the end of it. What we're going to do is we're basically going to draw over the lines we want on our picture, and hopefully it will go through the carbon paper and the carbon paper will leave the line on the fabric. I'm not sure how much I can sort of press on it with my hands without getting big smudges. This is an experiment, so we will see. I don't think carbon paper washes off, so this will be lines that you leave on. Other things I've tried is water-soluble pen, which is quite good, but only on 100% cotton fabrics. On slightly synthetic-y things which I do use sometimes, it bleeds really badly, so you can't get a thin line. I've not tried heat erasable ones. I have heard some people have a lot of success, but some people find that they come back if the picture gets cold. So that's not very good. Probably the most effective is just drawing using a light box, if you have one. If not, just holding it up against a window is usually enough, with a sharp pencil. And I guess my favourite thing is just not to use a pattern at all, to sort of completely miss out this step. But then you see some designs where you have some ideas and you think, well, I really have to draw that first. Can't just wing that. I am leaning on the page a little bit. I hope it's not coming through. That's the chair done. I'm leaving the pumpkin. Didn't want to do the pumpkin, but I like the little mouse. I'm not sure how I could do it without steadying the paper and my work with my hand, so yeah, not sure what that's going to mean. Good thing is, if this doesn't work, I've not ruined the print out. I can still use a light box and a fresh piece of fabric. I don't think I need to do all the stripes on the jumper. Because you will be adding that detail with your stitching. I'm not really a knitter, but this little mouse appealed to me. At home during winter, doing the crafting, thought, yeah, that's me. Not going to get perfect circles here, but I also wouldn't if I was just hand drawing it. Again, I'm not going to add the detail, I'm going to leave those just as circles, and I will just look back at the picture for reference when I'm sewing it. And I'm going to add probably a slice of cake. But not pumpkin pie, that's not me. So hopefully I've gone round the chair, the mouse, the balls and the reel. And we shall see what it looks like. Taking layer off a layer. Oh, so you can see that it's come through onto here quite well. And I think I'm going to rip the carbon paper one when I try and take this off, but that's okay. Ooh! Wow, I think that works. But there, I think that has worked pretty well. And that is now ready to sew on the details. It's quite a faint line, like a pencil. I don't know if that is easier than pencil. It's virtually the same process. But I'm quite pleased with that. I think you could add quite a lot of detail. And the good thing is that when I was leaning and holding things in place, I didn't get big splodges of carbon. It really just followed the lines that I wanted it to. So pretty pleased with that.